The Lok Sabha on Tuesday passed the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Amendment Bill 2026 amid criticism from opposition members over the exclusion of gay and lesbian individuals and concerns about restrictions on self-identification. During the debate, Virendra Kumar, Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, stated that the amendment aims to protect individuals facing societal discrimination due to biological factors and ensure continued legal recognition and safeguards for transgender persons. He also noted that while the 2019 law provided a maximum 2-year jail term for certain offences, the new amendment proposes stricter punishments of up to 14 years imprisonment along with penalties. Opposition members raised concerns over the exclusion of diverse sexual orientations and argued that the bill restricts self-determination. They demanded that the legislation be referred to a parliamentary standing committee for further review. The bill explicitly excludes different sexual orientations and self-perceived sexual identities from its scope. It defines transgender persons as individuals with socio-cultural identities such as kinner, hijra, aravani, jogta, eunuchs, intersex person, or individual with congenital variations at birth. The amendment also provides for the designation of an authority and the formation of a medical board led by a chief medical officer or deputy chief medical officer, which may seek expert advice when required. Additionally, the bill introduces specific offences with graded punishments based on the severity of harm, irreversibility of injury, and the vulnerability of child victims. The government defended the legislation, stating that the amendment is intended to ensure precise identification and stronger protection for transgender persons while excluding other gender identities and sexual orientations from its ambit. Meanwhile, people from the LGBTQ community also took part in a rally against the Transgender Amendment Bill 2026 in Kolkata, expressing concerns over the provisions of the legislation.